What are WhatsApp channels? If you're using WhatsApp and you have a channel on WhatsApp, or if you're seeing different channels on your WhatsApp, then let me tell you that it's the one-way communication. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a random channel right here, which is Netflix. And as you can see that you won't be able to message here, but it's just one-way communication. Netflix will add some videos, it will give you some notifications, or you will have some polls right here. You can comment on those and everything. You can download these photos if you want to. You just need to simply go and follow the channel. And once you follow the channel, you'll see all of the information, like you will have the reactions option. This means only admins or creators can message in the WhatsApp channels. And you can also add unlimited persons or members in your WhatsApp channel. And it also has rich media support. You can update your channel. You can include text, photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, links, polls, allowing for diverse content sharing. You can create a channel if you want to. Just simply go with the plus button on the bottom right and go with create. Or scroll all the way down, and as you can see that you will have a create channel option. Tap on create channel. Go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and add a channel name. Go with a profile picture. Describe your channel, including a description which is useful for your followers. And then go with create channel, which will be on the bottom. And you'll be able to create a channel on your WhatsApp. And there's also a good privacy in WhatsApp channels because you won't be able to see the other person's phone numbers as well. Key features are one-way communication, engagement, 30-day history, and channel subscriptions. With engagement, followers can participate by adding emoji reactions or voting on polls. A 30-day history means channel updates remain visible in the chat history for 30 days before they are deleted from WhatsApp servers. And channel subscriptions are like some channels may offer paid monthly subscriptions, giving users exclusive access to premium updates or content. If we talk about the privacy and security, then you will have some hidden phone numbers. Your phone number and profile picture are hidden from the channel admin and other followers. And private following, the channels that you follow are private. Other followers cannot see a list of people who have subscribed. And no end-to-end encryption because they are public broadcast. So you can follow the channels of people and organizations that interest you to get updates from them, including text, links to information, photos, and videos. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.